we'll just get video. I can edit the sound. Look at the drift on that thing. Stand up next to it so we can see how tall it is. No, don't get down there. Come on. Walk that little trail where somebody's already. What treacherous condition! There's a bedroom window. Ben's window's froze over. We gotta get in it for a little while with the camera's buried. Aluminum is buried. Kind of towards an asshole too, isn't buried. I didn't hear it beep. Holy Moses, look at that. Oh hell, that's the easiest I've had cleaning out the windows in days. Alright, start the car, I'm gonna clean the windows off. Oh shit. Windshield wipers to the rescue. It's very cold out here. We're in Oklahoma. Well, we've gotten a bloody blizzard one more time. And I'm going to shove my finger up his asshole here.
I think you're going to get some of that off the car.
Attaboy.
That ain't that bad.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I like the view from in here much better.
Look at the poor Lumina.
It's buried. God, we can make a snow car. Oh, look at that. In the ice it looks like rust and stuff coming down. The little Chinese dude next door. He's dedicated to a soldier. He's gonna get all the snow for family before family come to eat Chinese dinner. Damn, that's pretty good thing on the little camera cam. We'll zoom out peeking.